Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. Hope you're well. So I got another video for you on the diagnostic tool. This is a new diagnostic tool that I've been using, and this is literally, that is just it. So just a plug they got here. So this is the OBD bit that goes into your socket, and this is all it is. You're just gonna need your phone, which pretty much everyone have got, Android phone or iPhone. It works with both, or you can have a tablet as well. It'll work with that as well if you want a bigger screen. But I'm going to tell you right now, this tool is pretty impressive. I've been asked to try it, and I've been trying it on my Audi as well. I've had quite a few diagnostic tools recently. I've been comparing them all and just trying them all out for live data, obviously fault code clearing, special functions, and this thing has got plenty of special functions on it. It's really easy to use, and obviously, like I said, everything's done on your phone. Now, so far, pretty impressive. Even got handy stuff like the battery voltage on the screen that it shows you. So you got another handy bit, which is the LED light. So literally, like I said, this is all you got. You just plug it into your OBD socket, and having this light, once it's charged up, you can see what you're doing. So another little bit of extra there, but really handy feature again. So you need Bluetooth on your phone to connect it. I'm going to show you in a second. Obviously do all the updates, and the updates are free, which is another bonus. This tool is currently selling for £199 on the Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description below for you guys. As soon as I know if there's any updates on the price, I'll let you know. But yeah, just want to do a quick video to show you the special functions it got on it. It works with all the cars, European market, Asian market, American, etc. There's service reset. There's plenty of special functions on it, which is really handy. You can find obviously all the information about the tool on the link they're going to put in the description below for the main website. So this is the Xtool A30M, and yeah, today is just a video to obviously show you quickly the app they're going to use, where to get it from. You can download it obviously, and how to do the updates and connect to your car, and obviously show you how quick this is and what great features it comes with. So that is something you're interested in, tune in guys, and let's get started. So obviously I'm using my phone today, and just to show you, this is the app that you're gonna need. So this is Android. It will be the same on the iPhone. Just go to your store and download this app, or you can do it from the Google as well. So any scan, once you download it, you obviously have to do a couple of updates that I'm gonna show you in a second. So once you downloaded the app, this is the main screen that you're going to get. Obviously, I'm using it on my phone. Like I say, you go to settings and connect the Bluetooth. Obviously, make sure that it's on. Once you're connected, make sure you got your Wi-Fi on or your data. Go to the updates and download whatever you're going to need to use. There's lots of stuff, and like I said, all of it is free. It's lifetime updates, special functions, and everything else. There's plenty of special functions. I've downloaded the Audi software, the up-to-date ones. That's all there. This is the special functions you got. As you can see, the choice is massive there. Obviously servicing, electronic parking brake, DPF regeneration, the seat, ABS bleeding, battery replacement, injector coding. There's lots of stuff guys, and it's constantly being updated as well for the new vehicles. But what we're going to be doing today is a quick diagnosis. Just do a quick scan there and show you how most of the stuff works. Like I said, this is just going to be a quick video to introduce the tool. And if you got any more questions or you want any more information, please do comment below, and I'll be more than happy to do a specific video for you on some live data or codes or how to proceed with diagnosis on your vehicle. So again, like I said, handy feature. You got the light there once it's charged up, and you can point obviously at your OBD socket, which on Audi is under here. So I'm just going to connect it quickly. And as you can see, obviously it's a bit hard to see, but you got the voltage showing up there straight away. And obviously once you turn the ignition on, the rest of the lights will come on, and you'll see the green and blue lights, so they're going to be obviously communicating with the vehicle. Right, so just to let you know, before you start using the app, it will ask you to register the tool. So you need to be connected to the internet, and in the box that the tool comes in, you will have a little letter with the serial number and activation code. So you will need that to get it sorted. So once you've done that and registered, put your email in, you'll be able to use it. So now we got obviously the socket connected, the ignition is on, and as you can see at the top there, I do apologize if the quality is not great, but at the top there you got the Bluetooth obviously green connected, and the tool got blue light on there. Don't know if you can see it, but obviously it's connecting, it's talking to it now, so that's the good news. Ignition is on, so we're going to do auto scan. So now I'm going to connect to the tool. Obviously on the newer cars, you got a better connection and it'll be a lot quicker to diagnose the car. So you can see here after 2005 CAN-fast scan, it's a big difference from automatic scan. It's a lot quicker. You can see now how quickly it's going to do it. So it's literally going to scan all the ECUs that you got on the vehicle now, and you'll see how quick it will be. Look, that's already all done. So literally everything is passed because there's no fault codes. But as you can see, there's plenty of different stuff on there. The only fault he found was with the information electronics. I'm pretty sure this is the navigation antenna issue that it has got. But as you can see, he scanned all of these ECUs straight away. There was no wait at all. So you can go to the engine. This is the one you probably can play with the most with. You got lots of special functions for it, activations as well, which are really handy when you're diagnosing anything on your vehicle. You can activate EGR to see if it's moving freely and etc. So you would go there to see any fault codes. Obviously in this case we haven't got any, so that's fine. You can get the ECU information. You can clear the trouble codes. Obviously you can clear it in the main window to clean all of them. This is great feature, live data, really handy for when you're diagnosing the issues. So you can select whatever you want, and obviously once you start the car up, it shows you the voltage there. It's starting to get a bit low, but you got plenty of features there. There's lots of stuff with live data, like injectors as well, EGR, position, camshaft speed, etc., accelerator, pedal. You can see what it's doing. Obviously there's lots of stuff on there. You can spend a lot of time looking at all this, and obviously once you know what you're doing or you're following some specific repair manual, it will be really handy to have all this information here. And you can record it, you can save it, you can email it to yourself, you can save it on your phone, you can have all the data, the fault codes, and etc. So at the moment we're not going to go too much into it because this is just a quick introduction. I'm just going to show you the actuation tests that you got here, which are really handy. So look, you can activate EGR valve, the cooler, the glow plug control, fuel pump electronics when you're replacing the fuel filters to fill it up. Like I said, there's lots of stuff. You can check if your engine light warning is working. So plenty of stuff to go through. Definitely handy features. Obviously each vehicle will have different activation settings because they got different equipment on them. The newer cars got more stuff on them. But like I said, plenty of things. You can activate the lights, you can activate the windows, the motors, make sure they're working. If the switch doesn't work, you can check if the motor is actually working or not. The sound system, etc. You got lots of stuff on here. So like I said, you can get the report, you can erase all the codes if you want. Obviously I only got one. So it activated the radio now just for a second because it's obviously connected to the unit. So that's done now. But obviously it will come back later on because there is an issue with the antenna. So now back to the main screen. Just wanted to talk to you about reports real quick. So this is diagnosis that you got, obviously from what we've done, the live data. So you can obviously send it by email to the customer or to yourself or wherever your friend. You can print it in the PDF format as well. So this is all the live data that we had. I mean, you can select wherever you want. You don't need to print all of it. But if you're working on some specific fault and you need to check something, you can go home and just check if your live data is good enough or not. Then obviously you got the fault code report there as well, which is really good. Like I said, it just helps giving you more information on everything, which I think is really good. It's really handy stuff to have. Obviously if you got any fault codes, you'll be there, it'll be all saved, so you can do your research later. And the other handy bit is obviously the special function. But while we're in report, this is the data playback, so you can record the live data while you're driving the car, like if you're scanning the ABS sensors or etc. to see if the speed is correct on all the wheels and things like that. Obviously, like I said, you can get into all this if you know what you're doing. There's plenty of stuff that you can discover on this tool. Now on the special functions, this is really handy. You got so much stuff there. Obviously the most common one is oil light reset, like the service light reset. You got the electronic handbrake issues. You can activate things. You can obviously replace the rear brakes on the electronic handbrake systems, which is really handy. You can do it without it. You got DPF regeneration. You got gearbox matching as well. So this is for automatic gearboxes mainly. The seat coding, ABS bleeding for hybrids and electric cars, which you really need to open all the valves. battery replacement, really handy, especially for BMWs and Mercs. Obviously instrumental cluster, the adjustments you can do, TPS light reset, which is really good for tire pressures. Injector coding, this is really good, save yourself a lot of money by having this function here, because if you replace the injector you need to code it, saves you going to the garage. You can do it yourself. Obviously airbags and etc. Like I said, there's plenty of stuff that you can do on here, really good special functions, and they all work really well. And like I said, the updates are free, which will keep you up to date with all the latest releases, with all the new vehicles and any updates. So here we are. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this video short, but I think that was enough to introduce the tool for you, to show all the settings, everything you can do with it, and how easy it is to use it as well. As you can see, I mean, all you need is a phone, and this little bud will help you obviously get all the fault codes, special functions. It's really handy. It'll save you a lot of money. I mean, you go to a normal workshop and you pay probably at least 50 quid just to get the fault codes out of your car. This thing will do a lot more than that, including the service resets and etc. And yeah, it's just that, which is pretty handy. Just put it in your glove box and wherever. Works on every car. You don't need to buy any updates. It's all included. So yeah, I'm so far really impressed with it, and I will keep it in the glove box in my car. I want to try it on some petrol cars just to check the special functions on them as well. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested in getting one of them. And if you need any more support or you want any more information, because like I said, this was a short video, but if you want more detailed stuff about some, I don't know, special function or live data or etc., how to do it, I'm more than happy to do it for you. That's what I'm here for, guys. So just obviously subscribe to the channel, comment below, let me know what you want. And if you want any more videos on any other tools, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to introduce them to you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.